Hey YouTube, it's Taki with TaqiTech. Okay, so we talked earlier about renaming a sheet, and there was also something else too. If you noticed on our sheet, it went into it went before the sheets that were already created, and ideally I would like it to go after. So I kind of know how to do this. I've done it before, but I didn't memorize it. I mean, why would I memorize it when we have the internet? We're in the internet age, and we have an awesome resource like Stack Overflow. Can't recommend it enough. And of course, I found what I needed right here. So after worksheets, worksheets count, name. Oh, and this guy's trying to rename, and he's actually, this is the question here. This isn't the actual code. Here's the code here. So this is what we're looking for right here. And this basically so I guess you could pass in worksheets.count name equals. Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay. So this is actually the name of the sheet. Okay. All right. So kind of reading it and understanding it there. So that's if we're going to name it right there on the fly. Wonder if we should give it a name. Well, we're a little bit too early in the project to give it a name at this point, but we'll get it in the right place. So I'm going to add that over, going back into our Sheets module, into our new sheet subroutine. I'm going to add it there. I'm just going to hit save real quick on this, and then we're going to go to our names sheet, and we're going to hit get new data. And it's telling me there's a syntax error. Oh, because I didn't put it in the right place. Okay, here we go. Run it. Go back to Excel. And there's sheet 2. Sheet 1 was the first one we made way at the beginning. Sheet 2 is right where we want it. If we go back to names again, hit it again, we'll see sheet 3 placed last. So that's kind of where we want them to be. And then we'll get into naming it a little bit later on. I'm going to put the link to the Stack Overflow page that I found there so that you guys can read on the comments and everything else and then get more in-depth knowledge on that. And I will see you in the next video. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure if you subscribe if you like the content on this channel. And I will see you guys next time. Take it easy.